Hello guys, and welcome to another episode. In this video, I'll be telling you about the best 3 supplements that you should look into if you're starting to go to the gym or restarting again back to the gym. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you so much guys for watching. My name is Samir Katab. I am on a mission to help as many people like yourself to reach their goals and feel their best by sharing these videos. And by you liking this video and subscribing to the channel, you will help me reach out to as many people as I can. So please do so when you want. So for today's video, I'll be talking to you about the best 3 supplements that you need as a new gym goer. So you decided to pick up a training, and now what we need to do is we need to get you some protein. Well, those bad boys will help you to build muscle, repair muscle, and it will help you get stronger. So the way you do it is you mix 1 scoop of protein, your favorite protein flavor, in water or milk. And then when you mix it, you take it before or after workout. And I've made a separate video in which I talk all about the calories and how much you should be eating. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link for you to check that as well. Now, second on my list is creatine. And I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, isn't that the white powder that make people swole and veiny? That's right. That's exactly what that does. But seriously, this powder has been shown multiple times in multiple studies to have really beneficial effect on your system, allow you to grow more muscle, and allow you to sort of hold more water. So if that's what you're looking for, looking to look jacked and build some muscle, creatine is something that you really should consider. Now, last but not least is beta-alanine. This compound, it's an essential amino acid that doesn't have as much fame as the other compound that I listed earlier. But the reason why I like this substance, because it will allow you to endure exercises for longer. So you'll be able to do your favorite exercises, that extra 1 or 2 repetition. And we know that the longer you can train without getting fatigued, the more muscle you build. And then when you combine that with the protein and the creatine that you are having, that will also give you a better overall outcome. So mix those 3 together, so add them into your diet and see the change. So there you have it, team. This is a shorter video today on which I talk about the best 3 supplements that you will need to start using if you're looking to make some gains at the gym and you're trying to build some muscle and look sort of buff and strong. Until the next episode, please stay safe, train hard, and I'll see you in the next time.